Now, shifting focus to the domestic politics that is erupting after the vice presidential election results were announced. Now, over the alleged charge of several members in the parliamentary elections cross-voting, is now India bloc resorting to name-calling. TMC has gone forward and exactly claimed that several AAP MPs are working for the BJP. This charge has come from Trinamool Congress National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, who launched a blistering attack on India bloc ally AAP, claiming that some AAP MPs are working with BJP. However, the Aam Aadmi Party has denied this charge and urged Election Commission to clarify on who exactly cross-voted in vice president polls. Remember, Maharashtra Governor and NDA nominee C.P. Radhakrishnan was elected the 15th vice president, bagging 452 votes against opposition nominee and former Supreme Court Judge B. Sudarshan Reddy's 300 votes. This has now sparked a political debate, as several of the NDA MPs have also claimed that there were cross-voting even by the India bloc. Listen in to what exactly the political blame game is all about.
खास करके कुछ पार्टी ऐसा है, स्पेशली राज्यसभा में कुछ लोगों को हमको देखने को मिला है, जहाँ पे कुछ लोग हो सकता है उनके पार्टी से चुने गए हो, लेकिन अभी भी एकदम साफ बीजेपी के साथ अलाइंड है। ये तो आप लोगों को देखने को मिला है। आम आदमी पार्टी का एक राज्यसभा मेंबर का एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको दिया। हो सकता है ऐसे 4-5 मेंबर्स हो। आप जनता के प्रतिनिधियों को खरीद सकते हैं, जो चुन के आए हैं, जो सरकार में बैठे हैं, उनको आप खरीद सकते हो। जो हार के विपक्ष में बैठे हैं, ईडी सीबीआई के डर से उनको खरीद सकते हो, लेकिन जनता को खरीद नहीं सकते।
किसने को वोट किसको डाली, ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया को पता है। ज्ञानेंद्र जी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी करते हैं और लंबी लंबी करते हैं। वो एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके क्यों ना बता देते कि किसने किसको वोट डाली है। भाई, अगर बीजेपी को भी बताया जा रहा है तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ही बता रहा है ना, या बीजेपी बता दे कि उनको कौन बता रहा है। तो ये स्थिति जो है, इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है साफ करे, प्रेस वार्ता करके और लिस्ट निकाल दे वो कि किसने किसको वोट डाली है, तो हमें भी पता चल जाएगा और हम भी मान लेंगे कि जी हाँ जी, ये तो आधिकारिक सूत्रों से आ रही है बात।
And my colleague Ishika Verma is also joining me for more details. Ishika, the cross-voting charge has clearly, exposed the cracks within the India bloc, with TMC now going against AAP. There are also source-based informations coming in that several of the, opposition members cross-voted and in favor of NDA nominee.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, Aditi, we have seen that the vice presidential elections are over, but now the entire, focus has shifted to, to the numeric strength with which, C.P. Radhakrishnan has won this election. Because, in fact, if you look at the numbers, the Sudarshan Reddy, in fact, the opposition claimed already had 315 votes. So now the question is that how did he get 15 less votes? Because, the numbers that had come, he only had 300 votes. Now the oppositions, as you rightly mentioned, we had seen the cracks were already there, but this had brought this, more to the spotlight, because if you see, the opposition parties within themselves have started blaming each other. Today, we saw this fresh attack coming from TMC's Abhishek Banerjee, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that you already have one Rajya Sabha member who, despite being from the Aam Aadmi Party, is working, or rather aligning with the BJP. So there can be 4 to 5 more of, such MPs from that party. While in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has dismissed all of these allegations and has now asked the Election Commission to come forward and in fact release the list of people who have cross-voted.
Right. Thank you so much, Ishika, for joining us with that quick update.